We have to do that, Grandma.
Let me wash your egg off your hand.
Say what you have to do now, Grandma?
Before you lick it.
Come on, you don't know what to do next?
Let's mix it.
That's on her.
What's on your lips?
Oh, that's right. I forgot. You were right about the charger.
What's on your lips?
Just take the batteries out of the camera and hook it up.
Simone, you're too close. What's on your lips, Simone?
Okay, now it says stir cookie mix. This will be hard to stir.
Can I mix it?
Oh, you have to stir it?
That's what it's stir. But
Getting a little in between snack. In between what? We just ate like a bowl of soup.
That is hard to stir.
I can help you mix it.
You can? I'm going to let you help me cut out the cookies after I mix it up. What about that?
Okay.
Oh. Mark, you know how to turn the oven on?
I'm not too sure. Just push start. And then what is it supposed to be?
No, over there on the left. Over there on the left.
Bake, I'm sorry.
Bake.
And then what is it supposed to be on? 350 is right.
350 for dark or non-stick cookies. So I know my non-stick.
Yeah, 350.
Yeah.
Grandma, can I get this? What is this sugar?
Flour.
Making it from scratch.
Is that what she licking?
That's what she was making it from scratch.
You can scratch while you're making this.
Go ahead, scratch, Mari. You should feel that you were special because you got to make them from scratch.
They're not ready for scratch. I figured because it's two of them. If it was one person,
then you go, but not
yeah,
you.
because it look like I'm going to have to put my hands in here and that's just because this ain't working.
That's how you make it from scratch. Scratch and then mix it up with your hand.
Thank you. I do like that. I do my best like others than some people.
We do not advocate.
What?
Ho, ho, ho. Close to the third power.
Grandma,
Huh?
I put my hand in there too.
Yeah, I'm going to let you mix.
David.
I'm gonna open it.
What did he do?
We have to take the whole thing of Kool-Aid in the room. No, I'm not. What?
This is how you really do it. How you really make it.
Yeah, look, yellow there. Happy?
Simone, what do you think of mixing like that? Do you want to mix it like that too?
She said she wanted to put, she already asked if she put her hand in.
Oh, okay.
Got the hand too.
Yeah, wait a minute. It's Simone's turn first. Now you got to squish it up like that, okay?
Okay.
You know how to squish it?
Now the first step they did to their cooking lesson was Grandma made them wash their hands, so that's why they're able to mix with their hands. You gotta squish it, Simone, like this. Look, squish, squish. Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
Is it easy or hard?
Hard.
It is.
Yeah.
You making them taste good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now put my fingers in it. Put some sugar in it.
I didn't want my hand.
Is it Jack's turn yet?
Okay. 64 minutes.
64 minutes.
Your arm gonna fall off in 64 minutes. Let Jack take a turn, Simone. See what these big old hands can
Look
do.
at my hand.
I see.
Well, I gotta lick it.
Yeah,
You ain't gonna stick your hand back in there, are you?
And you can't put your hand back in there because she lifted.
Oh,
What's that got to say?
Mari did.
What'd you say, Mom?
Mari did.
She licked her hands and put it back in.
Yeah, and then we had to eat the cookies.
Okay.
Well, you cooking them on 350, so that should be good enough to kill baby germs, right?
How squish it?
Yeah, taste it. See if you like it.
Is it good?
You like it, Mama? Okay.
So I get off now.
We ready to make some cookies now.
Okay.
Oh, good manners.
Now, this is how we make cookies.
Okay.
First, we put a little flour on the table that I've already wiped off.
Right, it's been pre-wiped.
Yeah, it's set aside. The only way black grandma know how to sanitize is wipe.
Grandma.
Wipe away to save this clock you wash the dishes with. You okay? You'll be okay.
It'll build your immune system. It builds your immune system up.
I can love it.
Wait a minute.
I only got after.
This is the original Paula Deen.
It's second.
The original Paula Deen.
Al.
Wow.
Cause she believe in at least a stick of butter and everything.
Look. That's how you do it.
Oh, you may get the cookie cutters, Mom?
Yeah.
I'm taking you people over to get the
They get some flour right here.
cookie cutter.
Mama, right here. Put some flour in here and then do like this. Okay, now let me roll it down. We're gonna make cookies out of that too, but first we're gonna cut these out. What kind you wanna make a star, a tree?
Yes, an angel and a reindeer.
You want a tree? And what do you want?